We make a coffee. No need to use the coffee machine. We just use this simple coffee maker. See? See? Look like tea container. I just boil hot water and then pour it down slowly. Smell good. After 5 minutes, its coffee is ready.